It's a wrap. Hey guys, welcome back to Via Vlogs. I am Via. I love creating content on skincare, beauty, makeup, and lifestyle. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing some skincare products जो मुझे just अभी receive हुए हैं from the brand The Face Shop. I have been hearing a lot about this brand, so finally decided to try it myself. But with you guys. So here's the first product. Actually, I bought two of them. Means same है, पर मैंने दो खरीदे हैं. This is pomegranate and collagen volume lifting serum. Here's the up closure look of this serum. This serum claims that it is designed to improve skin firmness and gives the skin more plumper and more youthful appearance. It contains pomegranate extract, which is rich in antioxidant. Along with that, it contains collagen, which improves elasticity and boosts hydration. Packaging say it is looking really very premium and elegant, and I think it's a glass bottle because the bottle is really very heavy. Let's talk about the consistency and the texture. It feels really very lightweight, absorbs really very quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. Consistency, it is not very thick and not very thin. It is somewhere in the middle. Fragrance है, but it is very mild, not very ऐसे नहीं कि headache कर देगा, overpowering ऐसा नहीं है. Really very बहुत ही ज़्यादा soothing सा fragrance है इसका. लिड की बात करें तो लिड जो है वो प्लास्टिक का है, बट द क्वालिटी इज रियली वेरी गुड बिकॉज ये भी बहुत हैवी है. इट इज अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन फॉर एनीवन लुकिंग टू ऐड अ फर्मनेस एंड अ नरिशिंग सीरम टू देयर स्किन केयर रूटीन. प्राइस की बात करें तो 30 ml प्रोडक्ट आपको मिलता है 990 का, और 3 years का लाइफ स्पैन भी है इस प्रोडक्ट का. दैट्स व्हाई आई बॉट टू ऑफ देम एंड की तो यूज करके ही पता लगेगा in the longer run like how they perform on my skin. Okay, I'll keep you updated about these serums, or if you want to buy you can definitely go for it. It is worth now trying. Let's talk about the second product, which is also from the same range because it is pomegranate and collagen volume lifting cream. Because for better results, I thought to buy cream as well so that I can layer them properly. This cream is specially formulated for dry and dull looking skin. इसकी भी पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो पैकेजिंग बहुत प्रीमियम है and elegant है, and the bottle is really very heavy. Now let's apply this as well. You see that, guys? It's really very thick and of course creamy as well. Okay. And it absorbed really very quickly, guys, really very quickly. Fragrance बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's very mild and very soothing, not at all overpowering. इसकी भी I genuinely like this. One thing I immediately noticed in this cream is that the cream is really very rich and moisturizing. Oh my god. Despite being nourishing, it is gliding really very easily on the skin. और इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ फील हो रही है. It's a great option for people जिनका skin type normal to dry to very dry है. They can absolutely go for it. प्राइस की बात करें तो आपको 50 ml प्रोडक्ट मिलता है 1249 का, which is somewhere in the middle in affordable range. अगर आपको स्किन हाइड्रेशन और फर्मनेस पे फोकस करना है तो you can buy them together. Next up we have Believe Moisturizing Balm Toner. This toner is designed for dry or dehydrated skin. According to the brand, they claim that it helps improves the skin moisture retaining ability and creates a comforting layer of hydration. Its ingredient list caught my attention. It contains glycerin, squalene, butylene glycol, and panthenol, which helps attract and lock moisture into the skin. On the top of that, it also contains ceramide NP, an ingredient known for supporting and strengthening the skin barriers, which helps attract and lock the moisture into the skin. The formula is enriched with macadamia seed oil and shea butter, which provide extra nourishment. It has a lot of it. It also has a lot of other ingredient, perfect for normal to dry skin type people. Lastly, I want to say that it is free from mineral oil, any artificial fragrance and dye. अगर हम पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो पैकेजिंग बहुत नॉर्मल है। ये एक प्लास्टिक बॉटल है और अब हम इसे यूज करके देखेंगे तो ये बिल्कुल ऐसे क्लोज्ड लिड के साथ आता है। अब हम इसके टेक्सचर की बात करें तो टेक्सचर ओके, इट्स रनी, इट्स लाइक मिल्की टेक्सचर। अप्लाई करके देखते हैं। After applying this on my skin feels comfortable, non-greasy and deeply hydrated for sure. And since this is the first step of our skincare, I mean we cannot miss this one. प्राइस की बात करें तो आपको 50 ml प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है इन 1029 rupees का, which is again on the normal affordable side. I'll also keep you guys updated for this one as well. Then we have Vegan Mucin Peptide 8 Cream, and I bought 2 of them, which is a firming and anti-aging cream. What attracts me the most? That they combined vegan mucin with peptide complex. That's why I bought 2 of them. Peptide are known for helping improve skin elasticity, and also it reduces the appearance of fine lines, whereas vegan mucin helps in providing hydration and firmness to the skin. पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो पैकेजिंग अगेन बहुत सिंपल है, बट आपको इसके साथ क्रीम के साथ एक स्पैचुला मिलता है to pick the cream from the jar, and here's the bottle. It's a glass bottle, again very heavy, but इसकी जो पैकेजिंग है ना, it's simple yet very premium. Here's the up closure look of the cream. Okay, the cream has rich yet comfortable texture, which is providing deep hydration without feeling overly heavy. The cream has a rich yet comfortable texture, providing a deep hydration without being overly heavy. Also, it is spreading really nicely on the skin. जो भी 25 और 25 की ऊपर की गर्ल्स हैं, they can apply this to look younger, to reduce the appearance of fine lines, to make your skin look plumper, hydrated, smooth. अगर प्राइस की बात करें तो आपको 50 ml प्रोडक्ट मिलता है 1620 का, which is the most expensive product among all the other product, but still I bought 2 of them, and आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा इनकी वेबसाइट पे, बिकॉज मोस्टली द फेस शॉप पे काफ़ी टाइम डिस्काउंट रहता ही है। अब हम बात करते हैं अपने लास्ट प्रोडक्ट की। दिस इज द ओनली मेकअप प्रोडक्ट दैट द फेस शॉप have, which is their lip and cheek tint in the shade Pink Mate. This is my second purchase. I used it before, but then I switched to other tints, and finally after using a lot of tints I again came back to this. This is how it is looking on my lips, and now we'll apply the same on our cheeks. And then just blending it nicely. Yeah, I think it blended nicely. This is how it is looking on my cheeks and on my lips. Of course, it has a really strong tint, and see how smoothly it is blending, giving a flushed look, looking really very pretty because it is such a pretty pink color. अगर प्राइस की बात करें तो आपको 5 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट मिलता है 580 का, बट डिस्काउंट पे आपको आई थिंक 550 530 का मिल जाएगा. देयर इज ओनली वन ड्रॉबैक दिस टिंट हैज एंड दैट इज इट लीव्स द stain on my finger. That's the only drawback. But if you guys want it, please go for it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and reviewing video. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I really need your love and support. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.